Let's see what's on TV.
We interrupt this broadcast to warn everybody that a tornado is heading towards Los Angeles. Take cover.
Oh my gosh! The tornado is coming. Scarlett. The tornado warning is coming. We gotta get in the basement. Get the baby and follow me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm coming. I wonder how long this is gonna last.
It could last all night.
Don't put that idea in my head.
Are you okay?
Hell no, I'm not okay. Because I think I'm about to die.
Relax. Nobody's gonna die.
How do you know? This is the first time we've been in this situation. We had to hide in the basement for crying out loud. I think I'm about to die. And I don't want today to be the day I die.
Can you go in the living room and see where the tornado is hitting?
No, you did not just ask me that. Now if I'm already scared, what makes you think I want to sit here and go to the living room with windows and see where the tornado is?
It's a twister. It's a twister.
The tornado's coming. Anti-M.
Update: the tornado is now rotating around Los Angeles.
Hello. What do you want?
Did you hear about the tornado?
Of course I heard about the tornado. It's coming towards us right now. Hello. Chris? Ugh. The storm cut the line off. Well, that's just great. The line doesn't work. No, the tornado is coming our way.
Take cover.
Don't take us to the land of Oz. I'm not trying to go there today.
This is not the time for jokes.
No, real talk. Those munchkins, and especially that witch, creeps me out.
Another update: the tornado is over. Everything is back to normal.
I don't know what that was all about, but I'm glad it's over.